and welcome to the Commonwealth War Graves Commission Baurain in France. This is the Commonwealth War Graves Commission brand new building, opened up in July 2019. It looks after 40,000 graves and 8,000 cemeteries in the Western Europe alone. Worldwide, 23,000 locations, 1.7 million graves, 150 countries. This organisation is responsible for looking after all these graves worldwide, including cutting the grass, making sure everything's nice and clean and tidy. Any headstones that are damaged, they get replaced virtually straight away. And at one time you would get a stonemason cutting all the numbers and letters out, but not now. They do it via a laser machine, which is inside this place here. And it's cut with a laser machine, as I said before, and they're actually cut, each letter is cut at a 60-degree angle. And the reason that is because when the loved ones are looking for the headstones of the people that have obviously given their lives up for the country, they can find them much easier. No doubt it casts a shadow across the actual numbers themselves, or the letters themselves. The Commonwealth War Graves Commission do over 12,000 cemeteries every year with their upkeep and that. They have surveyors going along and looking at the gravestones to see what condition they're in, and if they can repair them there and then on site, they will do. If not, they're basically taken out the ground and they're brought to this place here for either a clean-up, maybe a re-engrave, or a complete new headstone. The metal boot that you see built into the little holes in the walls of the cemeteries, this is all done by these guys as well. Any gates that are on the cemeteries themselves, whether it be wooden or metal, are done, I think, here as well. But the Commonwealth War Graves Commission do everything regarding looking after these war graves. They do over 12,000 new engravings every year. Some will be upgraded because they've probably worn out, or they may have been damaged or broken or vandalised. Some will be new people that they've actually found over the period of time. They've dug up. I mean, the one recently is White Sheet in Dig 80 recently over at Witch, or they call White Sheet. So they'll have the new gravestones there as well, that they've eventually buried them. Let's go inside and have a look at what the Commonwealth War Graves Commission's all about. Hello.
Salut.
Bonjour.
Ça va? Bonjour.
Right, I'm in reception. I've spoken to the lady on the desk. It's free to get in, and it's a free little tour. You tour yourself basically. You go on these things, you press on the number that you want to watch or to listen to, I should say. Press a button and it'll explain what you're looking at. Reception is absolutely beautiful. You can see this, it's really, really nice. And you've also got drink machine. You've got coffee or pop if you want to. You've also got here to actually look at if you want to find a loved one, or you want to search somebody you want to find somewhere. You can find it that way as well. So you can find the person that is in whatever grave is in, whatever boat she is in the Europe world, I'm assuming, which cemetery is in. You can find it that way as well if you're not sure. She's asking, can I actually videotape inside the Commonwealth War Graves Commission area, because they're not sure, so she's just trying to find out if I can do that. I'm okay in the reception here, but any further, I'm not sure, but we'll find out. If not, then I may be able to take a picture. If not, I'll describe what I can see anywhere.
Their story to our children, to make sure that they will remember them.
Right, I've spoken to Lucy on the reception, and she's rang a lady called Audrey, who runs this place here. She's come across and had a chat to me and says I'm okay for recording stuff here, but as long as I sort of respect other people, well, brilliant. So I don't want to try and catch them in the video, whatever I put together. So let's go along and have a look at this free tour. If you decide to come here, you need about an hour to 2 hours to have a good look round. There is on the audio book, you press a number relevant to where you are in the building itself or outside the building really, and it'll tell you all about what's going on in that particular area. There's also sub-menus you can click and it'll tell you as you're going along what to press and listen a bit more in depth of what's going on that particular section that you're actually listening to. Really interesting.